You always want to make sure the label is facing outwards.
Okay.
If the label's facing inward, you're wearing it in the wrong direction and it's going to slide off your head.
Okay.
So that's why it says here, it says very clearly, wear with label facing outwards, okay?
Okay, good.
Now the other thing is, make sure it's not over your ears, it's under your ears.
Okay, perfect.
Okay? And the third thing is that you're going to tighten it in the back. There's no Velcro in the back to tighten it. But in the front, a lot of times people wear it too low so you could see it. If you're looking in the mirror and you see the band, that means it's too far forward.
Okay, good.
So I usually tell people, wear it slightly behind your hairline. With you can play around with it. Now, if it's a little too big, you just tuck. Do you see where the cotton material meets the velvet? You just tuck it under a tiny bit. But this is like the perfect position. It's not like digging into your ears.
No.
It's behind your ears. It's snug, but not too tight where it's giving you a headache.
Right.
And the bamboo cotton is this soft material which creates that barrier. You're going to find your wig a lot more comfortable on your head. Okay? There you go. That's perfect. Okay, now you're going to be like, this is the best thing since sliced bread. Want it behind, a little bit behind your airline. That means move it back.
Okay.
Make sure the Velcro's tight.
I think it feels good to me.
Does it feel good? Okay, perfect. Okay, is it on good? Okay.
It's a done deal.
Is it moving?
No. It's really secure. Look at it.
4.
Yeah, I love it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Huge.
I like it. I'm so happy.